let's start. As you can see, today I'll be using Bybit. I have 75 USDT and I want to trade this 75 USDT here to 200 USDT. So yeah, I'll show you, bro, how to contact the support and everything, how to sort such issues. So let's trade this together to 200 USDT using a bot. We'll be using a bot. So first things first, once you have your 75 USDT or any amount, the more you trade, the more you target, the more you earn. So for today, I'll just be using 75. Once you have your 75 USDT in your Binance or any exchange, like the way I told you to deposit in the morning, what you need to do is just to head to your Chrome or Safari, any exchange, any browser that you're using. Once you are in your browser, just come on top here, type athenanotes.com. Take note of that spelling. It is athenanotes.com, not note, athenanotes.com. Once you're here, just click go. This is the site where you're supposed to land at. As you can see, this is the site you're supposed to land at. So once you're here, since most of you are new, click get started. You will see there's a sign up page and a login page. Just come here and click sign up. Enter your full names. If your country is not listed here, you can just use the default, which is United States, or you can choose any country within your continent. So once you do that, once you choose another country, for your phone number, just use your default country's phone number. Just come and type it here. For example, if you are in, let's say, Nigeria is not listed here, or let's say Uganda, just come and leave it US, just like that. Write your Ugandan number here, leave it United States, create an account and finish. The important thing is to have an account which can log in and log out. So for me, I have an account. I'll just come, sorry. Let me just set it well. The phone just slid. Don't know if it's okay there. For me, I have an account, so I'll just come and click login. Yeah, I'll click here, fill my details, and it will jump into my account straight away. So once you're here, this is how the site looks. You can see down below, we have bots. These bots here. We have a Bitcoin accumulation bot and Ethereum DCA Pro bot. DCA means dollar cost averaging. So this bot here trades Ethereum. This bot here trades Bitcoin. That's how it works. So once you log into your site, you need to deposit funds. That's the first thing that you need to do. As you can see, my balance is 0 because I usually withdraw everything from here. For those who watch my videos, I usually withdraw everything from here and I leave my account 0. I usually love that because there's no need of money here, staying here, and I don't trade it. So once you're here, just click on deposit funds. You've been provided with 2 methods, crypto and card. I repeat, stick with crypto. Stick with crypto. So you can either deposit using Bitcoin or USDT. For me, I usually love USDT. Everyone knows why. Quick processing on the blockchain. Bitcoin can take a lot of time. Okay, eventually it will come, but it will take a lot of time. So I usually prefer doing it with USDT. So I have how much? I have 75. So I'll deposit any amount you write here. Whatever you send to the address is what you receive. So I just write 75, and the minimum deposit is 50. Don't deposit anything below that because it will not reflect here and it will bring you issues. So I've been provided with the USDT TRC20 address here and I'm supposed to copy it. So I'll just click copy. I head back to my Bybit. I come here to assets. I need to send now the funds there and click withdraw. Withdraw crypto USDT on chain deposit, and I will paste the address that I copied. It's just here. Yes, network, we're told is TRC20, and amount, I'll click maximum. So I will receive 74 and then I'll proceed to withdraw. Hope you're seeing. So the email has been sent. Let me just enter the code here. I'm not pausing anything. I'll just enter the code here because let me get the code. Click get the code. I'll just enter everything here so that none of you says this video was edited or anything. It's 393 541 for the authenticator. 821 508. As you can see, the withdrawal has been submitted. So I'll just wait for it to process, and then the funds are supposed to appear here on the portfolio. That's where the funds are supposed to appear. So as at now, let's just monitor this withdrawal. Once it's complete, the funds will appear. Now we'll head straight to trading. That's where most of you need to learn. So as at now, what do? We just wait for the funds to appear, which is 74 USDT. Any questions so far? Hope there's no question. Withdrawal is easy, very, very easy. So let's wait for the funds to process. I can view on my withdrawal history. It's indicating sent. It's indicating sent. Yes. Sorry. This phone keeps on sliding. I'll do something better next time. So as you can see, the withdrawal is completed. So which means that my deposit into Athena Notes account is supposed to be successful. So I'll just head to Athena and refresh here. As you can see, the 74 that I withdrew is there. Hope everyone is seeing. So once you have done that, what you need to do is now you need to do something called targeting. Targeting means you need to know out of this 74 USDT, how much am I targeting to make? My target for today was to trade 75 to 200. So I want to trade this 74. Once it reaches 200 USDT, I'll stop the bot and withdraw the funds back to Binance. So what do? Just come and click bots below. Scroll up. As you can see, we have two bots. We have a Bitcoin accumulation bot and a Ethereum DCA Pro bot. Focus on something called risk. As you can see, the risk for Bitcoin accumulation bot is low, and for Ethereum, the risk is medium. So as a person who knows how to trade, you always trade with a low risk. You don't want to risk your money. So just come and use this Bitcoin accumulation bot. Just click configure bot. From there, you can see the minimum is 50. That's why I was telling you to deposit a minimum of 50. This bot trades Bitcoin. So choose an asset, choose Bitcoin, amount, you have 74. So from there, save the configuration of the bot. The bot configuration has been saved. As you can see, it has written configured. Now start the bot. You'll be redirected here. Here's where you'll be redirected. So once you're here, start the bot. Start the bot. So as you can see, it's already started trading. Focus on the profits. There will be lows and highs, but I will stop the bot once we hit our target of 200. So as at now, keep watching as I take my juice and wait for the target to be hit. You can keep on liking the video. And sharing. As you can see, the profit stock loss The PNL is going okay. We have one run. Everything's fine so far. All you need to exercise here is patience. Just focus on the account balance. It's 106 now. It can come down, it can go up, but at the end of the day, you will hit your target. Just be patient. Stop panicking. No, just wait for the trade to complete, then you'll deposit and trade. I usually tell people early in the morning that deposit this, will trade later. So I usually expect you to follow instructions. So as at now, just watch. Once we hit the target of 200, that's a profit of around 126. I'll just stop the bot. Then now, I'll withdraw the funds back to Bybit. So as at now, be patient and watch. Watch and learn. I'll show you on how to contact support in case you have any issue. I'll show you everything. So that now, let the bot run. Let's hit our profit. Always be patient. The profit is low right now. It will rise. Be patient and trust in the bot. Be patient and trust in the bot. You're progressing nicely. I need your likes. I need your likes. I'll be doing this live thing once in a while. I just decided today to do it so that everyone can see. I'll show you on how to withdraw. Wait and see. Wait, bro, don't do anything now. Just wait, watch. If it's not working, I'll show you. We're at 32 profit, 38. So just patience. I've never tried the card option. Trading is going on well. I'll answer questions. See, I'll answer questions. Let me first the live trade to end. Once the live has ended, I'll ask questions. I'll answer question by question. Let the new people learn. We're at 176, 179. $191. So I'm ready to stop the bot. We are almost coming to hit our target. 194, 201. Stop the bot. As you can see now, I made 201. Let's see on the dashboard. That is what we have made 201 USDT. So from here, I'm supposed to withdraw this back to my Bybit. So what do? I need to go back to Bybit and copy. Sorry, this phone keeps on sliding. And copy the USDT address, and then I'll come back and paste it there. Oh, I'm supposed to click deposit crypto and click USDT. TLC20 and done. So once I'm here, this is what I'm supposed to copy and then head back to Binance and withdraw it. So once I'm here, sorry guys, I'm supposed to copy this and head back to Bybit, and then I click withdraw. Funds. To one. And then no, USDT to one, crypto USDT to 1.02 USDT to 1 withdraw. So the withdrawal is successful. So let me just check my dashboard. My balance is 0, so I've withdrawn 201. So I'm expecting the funds to reflect in my Bybit account. So I'm supposed to head back to Bybit and keep on refreshing here, waiting for the funds to arrive. So let's just wait. As you can see, focus on the top. Have received a notification that a deposit is processing. You don't want this phone to fall again. That's why I'm doing it slowly. You can see down here there's a deposit is pending confirmation. So let's wait for it to confirm. Guys, remember to follow me so that you can be updated whenever I go live or whenever I post a new content. In case I find something new, I'll update you, whether it is regarding Forex or regarding crypto. Whenever I find an opportunity, as you can see, the deposit is confirmed and I've made 200 USDT. What I was telling you is I had 74 USDT and I wanted to make it 200. There it is. I traded and withdrew back to my Bybit. You can do this on any exchange, and just there I've done. So whatever I wanted to show you, what's remaining is how to contact support. If you encounter any issue, maybe your deposit has delayed to reflect or something of the sort, but make sure whenever you're saying about deposit, you mean 50 USDT and above. Just come back to your Athena account, scroll here, screenshot. Once you screenshot that, screenshot also your Binance withdrawal screenshot, attach them and come back to here, a place written account. Click here. As you can see, there's a place written contact support. Just click there. You'll be directed to an email and contact them via email. Attach screenshot of you depositing and also attach a screenshot showing that your account is zero. So attach 2 screenshots. Once it's like that, they will get back to you very quickly and they will respond to you and your account will be funded. Also, I withdrew 201. The reason why I received 200 is, their transaction fees. So that UN USDT charge is the transaction fee. That's how the bot owners make money. The transaction fee they're charging is how the bot owners make money. So yeah, back in I think February, the transaction fee was around 3 USDT. So right now it's reduced. That's how they make their money. So yeah guys, 200 USDT there. Wanted to trade 75 to 200. That is it there. If you have any question or someone is saying to click on contact on support, if you click on support, as you can see, you are taken to email straight. So yeah, very simple. It works. So make sure you attach screenshots and also be professional. Say something straightforward, that I have deposited, the funds have not reflected. Here are the attached screenshots, this and this. So guys, follow me. This is nice having you here. I just want to go to do my own things now that I finished. Remember to share the live. You can also trade immediately after I leave here. Follow the steps that I've shown you and get started. 50 USDT and above minimum. Any issue, contact support. Just contact me if you are asking me maybe for the minimum amount. Not that I help you to fund an account or something like that. I'm not in any way affiliated with this bot. I just trade it like the way I've shown you and withdraw. So guys, peace out. See you on the next episode. Bye.